Hello, friends. Today we will have a mock interview session. We can discuss the questions and some tips for your interview. So, job interview is very important for us, right? Because some of us might have experienced difficulty in attending such interview situations. Some might have problems like anxiety, tension, all such things. Maybe because of that we might lose our chance. So this video is surely going to help you guys to crack your interview. Okay? So I am going to discuss about how to crack it. How to crack your interview. Okay? So the first thing is about never be late. When you are going for an interview, you should never be late. You should be always on time. So that means if you are in a hurry, you won't be able to focus on yourself, or it will be very difficult for you to answer all the questions. So it is very important to be on time for the interview so you can relax yourself. And second tip is ask permission to enter, in the sense that there will be a room where all the interviewees will be sitting and you are asked to enter into this room. So always remember that you have to ask, "Excuse me, may I come in?" It is very, very important to get a better perspective or better quality of your interview, I could say that. And then thirdly, greet all the person who are sitting in the interview room. Greet all of them, like you can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time is, always say good morning or greet them. Okay? So this is very important. And next is on the fourth tip is that say thanks before you are going to take a seat. When you enter an interview room, they will be giving you a seat to sit. Okay, so say that. So it is very important that you have to say thanks before sitting on a chair, because they are going to ask you that you may take your seat. Okay, so the exact time you say thanks and you sit on that chair, it is very important. Okay, and then sit straight, no stooping. When you sit very straightly and look into the eyes of the person who are sitting in front of you. This will give you more grades or more weightage or scores for your interview. And next is keep an eye contact. It is very important. If you keep an eye contact with others, it shows that you are confident in yourself. So try to practice that when you enter into that room. It will be important to keep an eye contact of all of them, not just one of them. And next, be confident. Always be confident with your attitude, your behavior, your actions, whatever it may be. You have to show them that you are capable of doing it. That is very crucial for the interview. And then keep your arms on the table. So it shows that you are confident enough to answer all the questions. So try to keep your hands on the table and smile, and of course talk. When you talk, you have to have some smile. It is a positive expression, right? And it shows that you are free, you are not anxious about this interview, and you can perform well as well. Okay, so it is very crucial to smile and talk, and then answer all the questions. And you should never say no. Even if the questions they have asked you do not have any answer, you just say that, "Can you please repeat the question?" When they repeat the question, you can think about it and answer something about that. Okay? So this is the tip I would like to give for your interview, and all the very best for you guys. And of course, I am sure that this will help you get a better job. Thank you for watching.